Nigerian national football team, the Super Eagles, found themselves at the center of an international incident that sparked outrage reactions and prompted an investigation by the Confederation of African Football. The drama unfolded at Libya's Al Barak International Airport, where the Super Eagles were stranded for over 13 hours, en route to a crucial 2025 African Cup of Nations qualifier, as earlier reported by NaijaNews TV. Players and officials were forced to sleep on airport benches and floors and denied access to food and basic amenities. Images of the team's flight quickly circulated on social media, drawing widespread condemnation. Nigeria's Minister of Sports Development, John Eno, described the situation as almost hostage-like, expressing serious concerns for the team's safety. In response to the incident, CAF has launched a formal investigation. The football governing body stated, the matter has been referred to the CAF Disciplinary Board for investigation, and appropriate action will be taken against those who violated the CAF statutes and regulations. The Libya Football Federation, for its part, has denied any intentional wrongdoing, attributing the delay to logistical issues. They stated, there are no grounds to accuse the Libyan security teams or the Libyan Football Federation of deliberately orchestrating this incident. Such actions are inconsistent with our values and principles. Despite the ordeal, the Super Eagles have since returned safely to Nigeria. Team captain William Troost Ekong took to social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, to share his thoughts. Proud of this team, Naija's spirit can't be broken. Throw at us what you want, it is in our blood to overcome. I've seen a lot in my 10 years with this group, but nothing like this. An experience that has brought us even closer together. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we continue to follow this developing story and for more details as they emerge. For now, the focus remains on ensuring the safety and well-being of all teams participating in the international tournaments.